In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can start using Walmart to dropship on eBay. Now, this is very quick and easy. You just want to follow these simple steps and you will be able to start using Walmart to dropship on eBay. Now, the first thing you want to do, guys, is to open your Walmart account. And of course, you already have an eBay account. Now, that's exactly why you're watching this video. Now, what you need to do, guys, first is to search for anything. Search for a random product. It could be anything in your mind. For example, let's say that you want to search for gaming desk. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to click enter and then search for, like, look for any gaming desk. For example, let's go with the first one. Okay, now click on that gaming desk, and what you need to do, guys, next is to search for this item on eBay. Now, if this item is not successful on eBay, why would you bother listing it on your store? Yes, it has here 31 reviews, but on Walmart, not on eBay. So what you need to do, guys, you need to find your competitors. For example, you need to search for this item, and even if you don't find this item, we just want to find competitors who are selling the items from who are using Walmart. Now we want to copy Ctrl+C, okay, or copy it manually, and then go to eBay and search for this item. Okay, now the next thing you want to do, guys, is to search for sellers who are selling this item. Now this person sells the same item, and as you can see, it's the same. Now probably we'll say, okay, this person is selling it, I will sell it too. That's not how it works. You have to find something that is already selling. Okay, you have to find a product that is proven to work on eBay, not on Walmart. Okay, now after you find a winning product on Walmart, like it's selling, a lot of people put bought it and people are happy with it, but if it doesn't sell on eBay, that it doesn't really make sense to list the same item. Just find something else that is proven to work on eBay. That's what I do, guys, most of the time. That's how I got, like, I have done like $100,000 in sales doing the same thing that I am showing you right now. I just copy other people. I go to Walmart, I search for a product, I go to eBay, and then I search for that product. If the seller on eBay is selling that product and it has sales, like people buy it on eBay, then I list the same thing. I just download the pictures from Walmart and then I sell the item on eBay. Now, like I said, guys, search for that, and then as you can see, this person is selling this item, but he hasn't sold any item, and he also has 0 feedback, which we don't care about. This seller, he is not successful. We are not going to copy this seller. Like, if you copy someone who is not doing well, then you are going to be like him. Now you have to copy someone who is successful. For example, let's go with the second one. This one also has 0. It's like the same person. So the third one, as you can see, it's United States. It's the same product, as you can see. Okay, this is the same product. Now this guy is selling it for $320. This guy's like on Walmart, it's $119. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you want to open the username of that person. This guy has 26 feedback, which is not that bad. We can still copy this guy if he is if he has successful items. Now, like I said, guys, sometimes we just use the product to find our competitors. Okay, now after you find a product, you want to go to that store, like to the seller, to his store, so that we can see what he is selling. Okay, because we know that he is dropshipping for Walmart. We want to find what this guy is selling. Go click on the username of that seller, and then click on about. And as you can see, this guy lives in United States. That's what we want. Always check if the person is living in United States. That's the people that you want to copy. Click shop, and after that, what you want to do, guys, next, you want to scroll down, okay, and then click see all. Now after you click on see all, guys, what you need to do next is you want to scroll down a little bit, and in the left you can see here sold items. Click on sold items so that you can find only items that got a sale. That's the most important thing. We want to find items that are proven to work on eBay. For example, this one has it's sold. Okay, this thing is selling and it says here sold, so this thing is proven to work. This title is proven to work. What you need to do, guys, you want to copy this title, the title of the item, okay, and then search for it on Walmart, so that if we can find it and you can see and then the profit margin is good, then we can list the same item. I'm going to search for it right now. Now, as you can see, guys, this is the same product. As you can see, it's the same, and it's selling for $289, and this guy is selling it for $380. Now, if you are just starting, you don't have a lot of feedbacks, don't like charge a lot. Only like $20 profit is like good. It's not that bad. After you get the feedback, then you can start increasing the price. Now you can then list the same item, because this is the same item on eBay. It's the same. Then you can start listing this item. As you can see, it's the same. The pictures are the same. Now you just want to start listing this item. Now what you need to do, guys, next is to download the pictures. Click on the picture and right click, and then click save picture, and then after you download all these pictures, what you want to do, guys, next you want to just post you want to list the item. Now before you list, always go with products that are proven to work on eBay. You better search for 3 sales. Like if you can find a product that is proven to work on eBay and you search for it on Walmart and you find the product and the profit margin is good, make sure the product has at least 3 sales. Okay, 3 sales, 2 sales, that's what I go with. That's exactly how you can find success on eBay. If you want to make $10,000 per month, always go with 3 sales. If you can find the product has 3 sales, then list it. If it doesn't, don't list it. Okay, now I'm just giving you an example. At least you have to find something that is sold, like that has a 1 sale at least. If it doesn't have sales, don't waste your time listing the product. The next thing, you just want to click sale, and then you start listing the product. Make sure you copy the title of eBay seller, not Walmart seller. Okay, now click search, click this here, and then click continue without much, and then you can start adding specifics here. You can just see the specifics here, the description. Yeah, the description, copy it from Walmart, but the title, copy the title of the seller, because it's proven to work on eBay, not Walmart. We don't care about Walmart. We want something that is selling on eBay. And then copy the description from Walmart, and then the specifics. As you can see, the brand is this one, color brown, manufacturer, features, home essential. Now that's all you need to do, guys. You just want to add the specifics here, and that's all you need to do, guys, to start your journey with eBay dropshipping from Walmart. Now I know, guys, you want to make the most money possible, but trust me, Walmart is not the best. I have tried a lot of retailers, but Walmart is really not really the best. If I can rate it, I will just give it like 3 out of 10. Like it's not the best. The profit margin is very low. Like the best supplier is AliExpress. I use AliExpress I made $100,000 using AliExpress. So I made a video like about AliExpress. You can see it in the screen right now, but before you click it, please drop a like and click it. And AliExpress is the best. You will find success using AliExpress better than Walmart. And AliExpress, they don't include in original price in the item, so you won't find terribles with buyers on eBay. You won't find that you are a dropshipper. You can just contact the seller on AliExpress, tell them that you don't want to include the original price, and then you won't include it. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you in the next video.